was the first rumor that you heard about yourself?
I think it was really very futile rumor that about me, where I don't know, like I kind of I'm trying to increase my age.
अच्छा,
Increase my age, yeah.
कैसे करता है वो कोई?
I don't know because the first time when I won Miss Universe India, I was 21 days shorter. So somebody just said this, something like that. So,
But how is that naturally possible?
no,
अच्छा,
through
you are
documents.
अच्छा
Documents,
वैसे
yeah.
okay, आप मतलब आप अपनी गलत एज बता रहे हो is what people were
गलत
saying.
नहीं, आगे करके बड़ा करके बता रही हूँ because I was. It's a very long story. Basically, I was 21 days shorter. Then I was younger, so they made like okay that she's trying to increase her age.
Hmm. Okay, next one.
First crush, I would say Justin Bieber, Zayn Malik. I like.
Yeah. Who was your? Did you have a crush कभी भी in like Hindi film industry में कभी कोई crush रहा है?
It was Hrithik Roshan. Yes. Yours also?
Yes.
Yeah, Hrithik Roshan. But then when I worked with him in movie Kabil, Hasina
हाँ.
Ka Dewana, he was on set. That crush converted into a respect. So
उर्वशी वो क्या moment रहा होगा? Like working with someone you have like admired, looked up to, who's been your crush. Oh my God.
yeah, it was a very special moment, and especially because it Kabil was such a special film, and I was beginning in my career, and to be able to get such a nice opportunity. In fact, when I signed my contract of Kabil, Hrithik Roshan was there, and so automatically, I don't know how, but that crush converted into respect, and I love Hrithik Roshan, and I have a lot of admiration for him.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, next one.
First rebellion.
हाँ, first rebellion. पहली बार कब rebel किया था? Something that you were not allowed to do, but yet you did it.
I was never this person.
Okay.
I'm never rebelling.
You've
Really.
never rebelled in life. Wow.
Never. I don't know why. Never.
Wow, that's amazing. That's
Never.
interesting to know.
Maybe because I always got that freedom, so there was no need to rebel.
True. Yeah.
First troll. See, because this has become something common, now these days. तो उसका I really don't remember like first troll.
Yeah. Yeah, but let's talk about it. I feel that बहुत important है as public figures, as female public figures on the internet. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि कभी-कभी the internet is not kind to women. The internet is unkind to women. Do you also feel that? I mean, there are abuses. There is what not said.
No, see, like how do I tell? Like in general, like you and me, we're a public figure. We people consume us. They watch our interviews and all. I'm talking about the simplest people. Even if they're wearing whatever, you will always find bad comments. So it's not just about troll. We really need to dig deep inside it. It's just about venting out what a person actually is. किसी और के ऊपर. तो
Wow.
they are doing this to make views, money, or whatever they want to do in life. That is their job. हमको हमारा job पता होना चाहिए. What is primarily what we're doing. We can't be focusing on what they are doing. So it's very important कि हम जो कर रहे हैं हमको हमारा अच्छे से deliver करना है. And then वो उनका काम है, वो कर रहे हैं, वो करते रहें. वो उन्हीं के ऊपर छोड़ दो, ज़्यादा मत सोचो.
Yeah, I think we'll just pick the last few and yeah.
First period.
Yeah.
It was on Christmas, 25th December. And then year I don't remember clearly, but yeah, I remember the date.
Were you able to talk about this, Hamesha? Like even before getting your first period, did you know about it?
I got to know about this through friends and then discussing. I was actually late to get it, but then thankfully my group of friends they got it early, so they informed me and everything. So
Yeah.
it was like that.
Yeah, but with your mom, with your parents, you were not able to talk about.
No, mom. Of course we can talk. Yeah, with mom.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, because I think it's just a taboo, right? कि not
Uh,
being
no,
able
in
to
fact,
girls.
हाँ,
हाँ.
I agree with you. In fact, you know, इसी को चीज को लेकर के एक बहुत ही अच्छा मूवी सीन है in one of my films. It's called the film is called Bharapriya. It's on Z5. आप देखोगे तो उस फिल्म में वो लड़की के पापा उसके लिए you know sanitary napkins लेकर के आते हैं. Which is like so thoughtful. I never
Yeah.
thought like when a writer wrote that scene, when I saw the scene, I'm like, it is such a different in a very lightful manner, which is also very important.
Yeah, important.
And आई थिंक लड़कियां तो देवी का रूप होती है ना, तो वो होना तो कितनी अच्छी बात है.
Yeah. Okay. Last three. Wow, I'm interested.
First paycheck amount. So I don't know, like I think when I was a choreographer, I used to teach kids during my summer vacations. I think that time I must have got, and then when I did a brand endorsement for a Germany-based brand called Grohe.
Okay.
It's called Grohe. You know, like bathroom fittings and all.
हाँ,
Grohe.
हाँ.
It's a really nice brand. So then that time I received my checks.
Amount याद है आपको क्या था? पहला amount क्या था?
I think pehla for a choreography something, but I was not doing it to earn money. I was just doing it for my passion, like teaching kids. I used to teach kids Dil Mein Mere Hai Dard Hai Disco, and I used to teach kids वो हसीना वो नीलम परी, हाँ same song.
हाँ.
कर गई कैसी जादूगरी. Like same like Shahrukh style I used to teach them.
Yeah.
And then they used to win. मैं शाहरुख स्टाइल में उनको सिखाती थी, and then वो जीत जाते थे first prize. फिर आंखें खुली हो या हो, another Shahrukh Khan song. Those two are my favorite Shahrukh Khan
You've not taught a Hrithik song? I'm surprised. I am sure you have.
वहाँ पे उसमें भी सिखाया है, बट इन दोनों में सिखा करके जो मेरे स्टूडेंट्स जीते मैं उनका बता रही हूँ, वो भी सिखाया है.
Yeah. You know, it's so similar. I was a dance instructor.
हाँ.
And मेरी पहली salary थी 2,500 rupees for
अच्छा.
teaching kids.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and I felt like, wow, मैं कितनी अमीर हूँ.
That's so good ना.
Yeah, it's 2.5.
You earned it
Okay.
yourself. First relationship. It was really late, like when I was, I think 19, 20. I think, no, sorry, 21. 21.
Yeah. And was it nice for you? I mean, जो वो तो होता ना the first time, right? And we feel that this is it.
हाँ, yeah.
यही है.
हाँ,
But then life
exactly.
happens.
Yeah. No, it was really nice.
Yeah. Okay. And the last one.
First friendship breakup. Like friends.
Yeah,
breakup.
have you had a friendship breakup? I feel that हम breakup के बारे में बात करते हैं, लेकिन जो दोस्त छूट गए.
नहीं, दोस्त छूटते फिर जुड़ जाते हैं. तो ऐसा वाला सीन है. ऐसा permanently तो नहीं हुआ है.
What is the first that you remember and that you will remember always?
First, I really liked when I had won Miss Universe India. Sushmita Sen called. As a winner, you have to come to Mumbai. So we all were in Mumbai, and then after winning, the Tag Heuer, the watch brand, they gifted me some really diamond-studded watch, and it was really nice, luxurious watch. I was only 17 at that time, so that was really nice. And then first time जब सिद्धिविनायक गए थे और temple में गए थे यहाँ पे, that was also a very nice experience.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share.